So it is the next morning and my hair is about 90% dry. There's still a few wet spots. I did use a blow dryer to kind of make it a little bit bigger, but this is what it's looking like as it dries. I might have to go on the scissors and cut it some more just to give it an even shape, because as you can see, it's some long pieces right here. But overall, I really love this unit. It is really cute. Now we're about to go in with the curly clip-ins to add some highlights. So we have two colors. We have this kind of like brown, almost ginger color, and then we have this burgundy. Yep, and what color? Yeah, this is like brown, and then this is burgundy, and they're in the texture 3C4A. And this is also in the texture 3C4A. These are the clip-ins, and I might have to cut them and make them match what I have going on right here. So this is the final result. I added the red curly clip-ins to just give some highlights to the hair. It is super duper cute. Yeah, it's not too much, not too crazy. It gives it a nice touch for the holidays. So if you have like a plain wig and you just want to spice it up, this is a perfect way to spice it up. So I just want to say huge shout out to HERGIVENHAIR for sending me this unit, and also sending me the clip-ins to experiment and actually create something fun for the holidays. I chose red because it's such a festive color for Christmas, and yeah, it looks so good. Shout out to Alexa for slaying my hair, honey. Like, come on, come through. It looks so natural, so good. Like, I'm super duper excited. So everything will be linked down in my description box below. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will catch y'all later.